Hello Lina and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website, attracting more customers and growing your company. I'm just going to be covering your website, the front page, contents, the Google business profile and backlinks. So let's start with your website. I can see that you have the links to the different back pages over here, a brief intro of the company, the different services that you provide, both in English and Spanish, the gallery, some testimonials, and your partners, your providers as well, and links to the different, well, the social media accounts that you have. So there are a few things that you could do. For example, you could have the click to call button at the top. You could have a contact us form, so just make it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. You could provide a little bit of a description of the services that you provide, adding more content, because right now, in terms of content, your front page has 594 words, and this could be optimized. So for Google to be optimized, you want to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words, so that through content, you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords, or basically those keywords that people search for when they want to buy your services. So I had a look at two of your competitors. These guys, RB Butler, Pulse and Dex. These guys have around 708 words, and Cricket Favors. These guys have 718 words. So definitely an opportunity worth pursuing for you is just having a look at and revisit that content and make sure that you have buyer intent keywords within that content. So I came here to the Google search and I type in pool resurfacing Miami. And Google usually shows me three sections. The first one is the Google Ads, and Google Ads are really good at driving traffic, but they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly. Now, the second section is what we call the Google Maps. I don't see it here for this particular search, but that's something to look into, because if you rank at the top of the Google organic search, that particular section is driving 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank there, you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews, and you also want to have you want to be listed in directories such as Yellow Pages, so that Google can match those details on your directories or on those directories to your Google business profile, so that you can rank at the top. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search. And in the Google Organic Search, to rank at the top, your website first needs to be correctly built so that Google can find you for the relevant keywords. But you also want something that we call backlinks. And we use a tool called Ahrefs. And this particular tool helps me analyze the backend of a website. I am right now looking at yours, and I can see that there are 11 backlinks in 7 external websites. If I have a look at RB Butler, these guys have 55 backlinks in 9 external websites, and Cricket Pavers, these guys have 4 backlinks in 4 external websites. So definitely just have a look at those backlinks and make sure that those backlinks are sitting on websites that are relevant to your services and to your industry, so that you can signal to Google that you are an authority in that particular topic. And a backlink is nothing else than a link on an external website that is directing traffic towards yours. So it's not only about having more websites, but having relevant and powerful backlinks. Now, in terms of the content, your website is being found for 23 organic keywords. Some of those keywords are, well, actually in Spanish, remodelación de piscinas, Miami pool remodeling, pool remodel Miami, pool renovation Miami, piscinas in Miami. And I can see here, well, the search volume is the number of times this particular keyword is searched for per month. The position is in which position your website is appearing in the Google Organic Search. So anything beyond the 11th, 12th position means that your website is already on the second page of Google and it's not capable of driving too much traffic. Now, if I have a look at RB Butler, these guys are being found for 17 organic keywords, just this landing page. So pool resurfacing Miami. And some of those keywords are pool resurfacing Miami. The search volume is 150 and they're in the 6th position. Pool resurfacing Miami repoolers, 250, and they are in the 15th position. So they are not able to drive too much traffic. But if I have a look at Cricket Pavers, these guys are being found for 95 organic keywords just for their pool remodeling resurfacing page. And I had a look at this, and so for example, they have pool remodeling Opaloca, the search volume is 200. Pool resurfacing Miami Gardens, repoolers, search volume 40, pool remodeling Pinecrest, repoolers, search volume of 200. So basically what you want is that you want to identify what are those keywords with the higher search volume, so that you want to maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers, because in the end what you do is that you add up this total volume, and that was the number of times that your website could be in front of potential customers. And then a percentage of those customers are going to end up in your website, another percentage is going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I hope that you actually like this video. Please feel free to use this information, and please don't forget to give me some feedback. My contact details are at the bottom of the email. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.